just want to make here is the chute. Okay, how I'm going to making that? How I'm going to make mounting that? That's what the matter here. Okay, let's add a new part. Okay, let's rename it as discharge to discharge to and okay, we have to model it. Okay, what I'm going to do is I will take base plate and I have 1 meter from conveyor inside gap is there. Okay, and I have opening also. This is the discharge. Now we're going to opening also. Opening tab and ready. Okay, yes. So this is the should go to base patch. Okay, this is fine, right? So I'll use this meter. Okay, I don't build it. I'll make every single sheet as a building plan. So switch, select line. Okay, then from here to there. If you want to go like that. Okay, so we switch this one. To the lens. Okay, switch. So line command. Now there. Okay, so line command. So this one. This one. And I go to surface. Send this surface. Right there. Okay, send surface again. Switch. So line command. Insert. This right. And go to surface. Okay, make it also right. Okay, yeah. Now switch. Exit. Yeah. This one. Make it. Surface. Surface. Okay, okay. Okay. And make one whole plate here also. Okay. So we change this one on this stage. So this suppose in beta. And this is something else. Okay, this side. Yeah, it is okay to me. Okay. I have Mr. Chute here. So note Control 7. Fit. Okay. 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 The length we'll have to decide it. Okay. From here to here, how much it is? 72. Okay. I'll reduce it 100 mm. Okay. That means 900. Be enough. Update it. Now also it is quite touching. Okay. We'll reduce little more. 870. Enter. Update. Yeah. Now this might be seems like okay. Control yes. Okay. Okay. Sketch. Select a line like this way. Okay. Now from here to here. I'll keep 18 degrees and okay, let's from this point to this I'll keep 100. Fine. 250. This is what my requirement. Okay, to mount it I needed one more plate here. What I'll do, I'll just extend this only. Okay, I'll add one more plate here itself so that it will be helpful to me. It will be helpful to me to mount the discharge, right? Okay, exit and this flange 6 mm thickness. Okay, okay. What I'll do, I'll I'll delete this gazette. Those are no more really useful to me. I'll delete these gazettes also. Okay, you don't have to delete this. Okay, you will first delete this, build these gazettes, and then only you can build this plate. Okay, now in order to provide enough strength, okay, what I'm doing, I'll be doing gazettes again, but not like that shape. We'll be using different approach. Right click up to surface, fine, and select the linear pattern, features, linear pattern, and bodies. I can choose this. Okay, that's it. Close this. Okay, now it has enough strength. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll sketch. -18 degrees center. -150, and then this point to this 50. Okay, the overall length I don't keep more than 300. Okay, exit. I'll make one sheet metal base flange. Okay, direction 1. I'll increase this. Okay, now select this mid plane features and I'll mirror feature and yeah, bodies to be mirrored like this. That's it. Okay, this and this will mount each other. Okay, okay, like this way. Okay, is there any interference? Okay, no. Okay, okay, 530, right? 630 will do. Okay, length I will keep 100. Update. Fine. Okay. I'll keep even 150. Okay. Yeah. But if I build, okay, there is something it is matching. It's like this. Okay. Okay. How much length it is? 70. It is also 70, but mirror plane we had taken it not properly. Yeah. Had taken it properly. Okay. If it is not there, means what we can do? We will create a one more plane, save this right here. That's it. Select this plane and go for sorry, select this plane, go for mirror tool and bodies to mirror, run that. That's it. Add the plane and add some reinforcements between these two. Go to elements, assets, add this, two faces. That's fine. And okay, 10 enter and 10 enter. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, let's okay linear pattern, bodies to okay direction one. I'll use this as my direction one and yeah 5 around 1 4 and up. Okay, 95 enter. Yeah, fine. This is fine. One okay. I'll go to the mirror feature. I'll select these two also. Okay, so that they will be existed on both sides. Okay, yeah, chute design is also completed. Now we can put two holes there. Okay, through that hole it will be nut and bolt jointed. Okay, so okay, let's see if you errors are there. We'll delete these constraints. Whatever it is, we'll see about it later. Okay, up to here we'll be able to complete. Okay, so next video we'll talk about the legs arrangement. Okay, so that's all about this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.